Hey guys, we're back with another video, and today we got these Timberlands to unbox. These were on sale on footlocker.ca. They were about they were $150, but there was a discount code. It was like $20 off or something, and I'm pretty sure I got these for $146 or something like that, including tax. So they seem like a pretty good deal. I'll show you guys around the box. Yeah, sorry about the noise, but there's a specific name of the shoe and it's a size 11. But yeah, so the Timberland Premium 6-in quilt boot. Yeah, and the color, I'm pretty sure that's the color, right? Black nubuck. Right. Alright, let's just get this opened up. And there's also nothing much in the bottom, so alright. Package is a little damaged. This was shipped. I didn't buy it in store, but yeah, so yeah, it was a little bit damaged up there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's not a big issue as long as the shoes are okay. So alright, so the shoes are wrapped in this kind of thing. There's a logo, there's a lot of other things written down, but yeah, let's get the shoes out. Quite long. I'm kind of curious to figure out what it says. Not sure if you guys can read that, but yeah, it's just quite a bit of things. I'm just gonna put that back inside and put away the box. Now let's get to these shoes. These are more of a winter boot, mainly because of this part. I feel it feels water resistant, and I think it's meant to be used to be walking in the snow or whatnot. But yeah, I'll just show you guys around the shoe real quick. They got their logo right there. Yeah, here's the soles. They got their logo right there too, as well as their name. Other side. Here's the front, the lip of the shoe. Got their logo again, and inside they have their logo again right in there. I don't know, it's a little too dark, but yeah, it's in there. But yeah, there it is. This is the left side. Yeah, but yeah, it also comes with some pretty nice shoelaces. They seem very durable. I've had a lot of shoes where the shoelaces would fall apart, they would rip up, they would get I don't know, fluffy, I guess. The materials would just not be very good. But yeah, these ones feel quite nice and they feel quite solid. So yeah, that's gonna be it. If you guys have any specific questions about these shoes, please leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll be sure to try and answer them. So yeah, thank you again. See you in the next video. Bye.